Hey guys, it's Ben. I wanted to show you this coat rack I got. The company sent this to me to review and is compensating me for this video. Now this is meant to be able to be installed without drilling. It does come with the hardware, so you can mount it with screws and anchors, but in case you need an adhesive option, it does come with directions and the adhesive in order to stick it onto the wall without drilling holes, without using screws. Our old coat rack broke, so this is perfect to put in its place. What I'm going to do first is put this in the place where I want it to go. I drew 2 little circles marking where the holes were to mount the screws. Then I drilled a hole in each spot, put in the anchors, and then screwed in the screws. And then there are these nice black caps to put over the screws to give it a nice finished look. So here's the final look. I love how it looks. The black metal just looks good and matches a lot of the other decor in our house, and feels pretty sturdy, feels nice and strong. So we'll be putting our coats up on here, put this to the test. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.